Oh, the unmistakable shape and colour, although it's not showing just quite how creamy buttermilk yellow the glaze on this little jug is, really. Of The Coppice by Royal Doulton. I start to see a little bit of the colour when I come in there with my hands. It's lovely buttermilk cream with these pheasants and the pine branches arching down with the forest in the background. Lovely little round classic sort of Royal Doulton shape, isn't it, with this high peak arched handle. A little bit of colour on the glaze decoration, just in a sort of slip fashion almost on the handle. There we have coppice marks from Royal Doulton with the crown and lion, with A suggesting this is probably just post-war, maybe. That looks like a rationing mark on the Royal Doulton mark. Interesting that. You see the big A? These were used for price bands when rationing was still in place in the United Kingdom during the 1950s. And A would align to a price range which they were able to charge against the rationing cards being issued by the government at that time if you were purchasing replacement bone china. Lovely thing in fine condition. The glaze on this is just beautiful. No signs of crazing or damage, no chips, no wear. And the inside, again, as you can see, very, very nice and clean. Suggests it's been loved and looked after for all of its life. Probably coming up for 80 to 90 years old now, and in fine condition, as you can see. Available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. Have got a few little bits of coppice left over. It's been a while since we listed the original set we had, and we're almost sold out now, so it's always goes well to collectors. People just love this pattern. It's really very nostalgic, very English, very countryside. Lovely piece. Thanks for watching.